Hello, welcome my dear students to our day 15 video. In this video, we will discuss future continuous tense, its definition, future continuous tense denotes an action to be done continuously in future time. This definition tells us that any action is found to be done in future time continuously. It is on progress. So we can say it is a future continuous tense or future progressive tense. For example, I shall be playing football in the evening. I shall be playing football in the evening. Shall be playing. This is main element which is showing here future continuous tense. Shall plus be plus MV1 with ing. Playing. My father will be going to his office in the morning. My father will be going to his office in the morning. Here will be going. These elements are showing clearly that these sentences are related to future continuous tense or future progressive tense. Now we will understand this tense according to the structures like affirmative, sentences. Affirmative sentences of future continuous tense. Subject plus will, shall plus be plus MV 1, then ing and object. Will go according to the structure. We can take any subject like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. He. Subject will be playing. Play here is first form of main verb with ing. Then playing, participle verb. Playing football. In the morning. Morning. So this tense here in this example will be playing. This tense is being shown with this phrase of verbs will plus be plus mv1 and ing, and the morning you can say it's a catchword. In the morning, coming morning, in the future time. One more example. My brother will be making me understand maths sums. In the evening, in the morning, tomorrow we can use here. My brother will be making means to make understand or to make sleep. We can use this phrase, this verb for this action. Make me understand. Will be making me understand maths sums. My brother is here subject, and the action will be performed in continuously in future time. Will be making me understand. What will he be making? He will be making me what? Understand. What thing? To understand maths sums. So this tense is also applied here in this sentence. Will be making according to the pattern or structure. This is affirmative sentence. Simple statements are found in these sentences. Now next, when we can frame positive sentences, we can also convert into negative sentences. It's negative sentence. Subject plus the same thing, will, shall, not will be used after will or shall. Then be here mv1 plus ing to make participle verb. Then object. Subject, he will not. We can take will because this is third person, except first person plural and singular, I and we use shall. Except these persons, we will use will for all persons remaining. Not be, will not be playing football. In the evening. He will not be playing football in the evening. Not here. Use of not denotes its negativity. This is a negative sentence because of not. Will not be playing. Like. So, this is the negative form of future continuous tense. Next, we can convert sentences of future continuous tense into interrogative form. Interrogative form of sentences. Pay attention, please. To make interrogative sentences, we will have to bring will or shall. Very first, while starting the sentence, we will have to start with will or shall to make interrogative sentence. Subject plus be, same, main verb, ing and object. Then question mark. Why question mark? Because we are framing interrogative sentence. Sentences which ask some questions are called interrogative sentences. Will he, will according to the structure, he according to the structure, subject, be, after subject will come here. Will he be playing, play, then ing, playing according to the structure MB1 plus ing, playing. Object football. Object here is football. This is a question. Will he be playing football in the noon, in the afternoon, in the evening or in the morning? We can add, will he be playing football? Shall I be visiting you next week? Shall I be visiting you next week? The action playing and visiting, these are the actions, will be done in future time continuously. So these are called future continuous tense. But if we are using will or shall in starting, so it will be converted into questions. Will he be playing football? Shall I be visiting you next week? These are questions. And pattern of making question on this tense, I have already cleared that will, shall will be used while starting our question. With will or shall, we will start our sentence of interrogation. And next is interrogative negative. In a negative form, we can ask any question. In a negative form, sentence. Interrogative negative sentence. It will be cleared when we observe is its structure. Will or shall plus subject plus not, then be plus MB1 first form of main verb, then ing, then object, then not. Here tells that this sentence is asking something. On the other hand, this is a question sentence. Will he, will, then subject, he not be playing football? Will he not be playing football in the evening? Question mark. This sentence is asking whether he will play football or not in the evening. At the same time, the time of performing the function, this is future continuous tense. Will he not be playing football in the evening? According to the structure or pattern, I have framed this sentence for you to understand better. So it is sufficient for today. I am attaching some exercises with this video, and continue doing your work nicely at home. Stay at home. Take care of yourself. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.